study two poems today in this video. So first poem is I use my brain. Use मतलब क्या? इस्तेमाल करना. And brain मतलब हमारा दिमाग. So हम बहुत सारी चीजों में हमारा brain use करते हैं, right? We use so many different parts in doing so many different things. Yes or no? Yes. So today we are just going to study about how we use our different body parts in doing different things. So students, we use our body parts in so many different things, right? We use our brain to think, we use our nose to smell, we use our tongue to taste, we use our ears to hear something, we use our eyes to see something, right? We use our body organs in so many different ways. Our hands in writing. Remember we studied it in EVS? Yes. Students, we use our brain to think, right? We use our brain to think about something. अगर हमें कुछ काम करना है तो we use our brain to think about something. When we are writing something, we use our brain to think about something. When I ask you any question, you use your brain to think about the answer, right? We use our nose to smell something. अगर कुछ अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है, some bad smell is coming, कैसे पता चलता है? We use our nose to smell something. We use our eyes to blink, blink, blink. Okay, so we use our eyes to blink. We use our eyes to see, right? And we use our throat to yell, to shout, right? When we are playing and when we have won the match or when we have won some game, what do? Yay! So we use our throat to yell, right? We use our mouth to giggle. Giggle is small laughs, right? So whenever I ask you something and you know the answer, what do? You giggle, right? So we use our mouth to giggle. We use our hips to bump, okay? And we also use our toes to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And we use our legs to jump up and down, right? We use our body parts in so many different ways, right? So students, you all can open your Canopy books, page number 14. We will start reading the poem now. So students, the first line says, I use my brain to think, think, think. मतलब क्या? हम हमारा brain किस लिए use करते हैं? Brain मतलब दिमाग. So why do we use our brain? We use our brain to think, think, think. Whenever you are writing an exam, what do? Whenever you read the question, you think, right? You think that what was the answer, and then you take the correct option. So you use your brain to think. Whenever I ask you some question in the class, you think, right? You ask your brain to think about the answer. So why do we use your brain? Why do we use brain? We use brain to think about something, right? So students, you have to underline brain and think. You have to underline brain and think over here. Second line says, I use my nose to smell. Now students, why do we use our nose? We use our nose to smell something, right? कुछ smell करने के लिए हम अगर खुशबू अच्छी है या if the smell is bad, how do we come to know whether the smell is good or bad? With the help of our nose. So we use our nose to smell something, right? So I use my nose to smell. Underline nose and smell. Third says, I use my eyes to blink, blink, blink. I use my eyes to blink, blink, blink. Blink मतलब क्या? आंखें blink करना, okay? So why do we use our eyes? We use our eyes to blink, right? बंद करना, खोलना, बंद करना, खोलना. So we use our eyes to blink. We use our eyes to see something, right? When you close your eyes, you cannot see anything. When you blink your eyes and open it again, you can see everything. So you have to underline eyes and blink. Next line says, I use my throat to yell. Now I use my throat to yell. Yell मतलब क्या? Shout or to speak. Okay, so I use my throat. Throat मतलब neck. So I use my throat to yell. हम कैसे हमारी आवाज कैसे निकालते हैं? हम हमारे थ्रोट से निकालते हैं, ठीक है? तो हम हमारा थ्रोट क्यों यूज करते हैं? येल करने के लिए. Whenever we are playing a game and we win, yay! So that is yell. Whenever you see something good, you say wow. Tell your friend by shouting. So you use your throat to yell. Underline throat and yell. I use my mouth to giggle, giggle, giggle. Now I use my mouth to giggle, giggle, giggle. Giggle मतलब small laugh. Okay? Why do we use our mouth? We use our mouth to giggle, right? When we give a soft laugh, right? Whenever I am asking you a question and you know the answer, what do? You giggle. You give me a soft laugh, right? Whenever you meet someone, whenever you greet someone, you giggle and wish them, right? You giggle and talk to them. So giggle matlab laugh softly, okay? So why do we use our mouth? We use our mouth to giggle. To underline mouth and giggle. Next line says, I use my hips to bump. Okay. Now, why do we use our hips? We use our hips to bump. That is to sit down. So, I use my hips to bump. I use my toes to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now, why do we use our toes? We use our toes to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. So, we use our toes to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle to move up and down. And I use my legs to jump. And why do we use our legs? We use our legs to jump. मतलब कूदने के लिए. Okay, so we use our legs to jump. Let's see the word meaning. Yell. Yell is to shout. चिल्लाने के लिए. ठीक है? To shout. Giggle. Giggle to laugh softly. एकदम अच्छे से, एकदम softly हंसने के लिए. ठीक है? थोड़ी सी smile देने के लिए. Wiggle to move up or down. Students, you have to underline toes and wiggle over here and legs and jump over here. Okay? So students, here we complete our poem, I use my brain. So yes students, we'll begin with our second poem. That is the elephant. Now students, we all have seen an elephant, right? How does the elephant look? Elephant is very big, he is very tall, right? He eats grass, he eats other fruits and vegetables. Also very big in size, right? It has a big trunk, right? And it has two tusks, that is two teeth. While it has two big ears, है ना? Yes, so we all have seen an elephant. So students, today we are going to study about the elephant, a poem about the elephant. Students, how does an elephant walk? Elephant walks very shakily, right? It walks very shakily. It is a very big animal and it walks very shakily. So it walks like this and that. Right? It has four legs. The elephant has four legs. It walks with the help of four legs. And he is very tall. The elephant is very tall. At the same time, the elephant is also very fat, right? The elephant is also very fat. It has no fingers. The elephant does not have fingers like we have, right? But it does have toes, right? The elephant has toes. It does not have finger, but it has toes. And the elephant is very nice animal, right? It is a very good animal. Sometimes also elephant gives us a ride, right? Have you all ridden on an elephant? The elephant ride, the elephant gives us a ride also sometimes. It eats its food with the help of its trunk, right? It takes the food with the help of its trunk and then puts it into his mouth. It has two big tusks, that is two big teeth. And the nose, the trunk of the elephant is its nose, okay? The elephant does not have a nose. Instead, the elephant has a trunk. Students, you can open your Canopy book. Page number 25. We will start reading the poem. The elephant. The elephant walks. The elephant walks like this and like that. How does the elephant walk? Like this and like that. It walks very shakily, right? It walks very shakily. Sometimes here, sometimes there. It walks very shakily. So elephant walks like this, like that. So you have to underline elephant and walks. Okay. Next line says he is very tall. Now the elephant is very tall, right? It is very big. We have to see upwards to see the elephant, right? It is very tall from us. So he is very tall and he is very fat. Also the elephant is very fat. So the elephant is tall as well as it is very fat. Okay. What is tall? Tall matlab lamba and fat. Fat matlab mota. Okay. तो elephant बहुत heavy होता है, right? It is very tall and it is very fat. So underline tall and underline fat over here. He has no fingers. Now the elephant does not have fingers. It does not have hands, right? So the elephant does not have fingers, okay, like we have. So the elephant does not have fingers. You have to underline fingers. But he does have toes. Now elephant does not have finger, but he has 4 legs, right? So he does have toes. Toes in his legs. Okay, the fingers on our legs are known as toes. So elephant does have toes, but it does not have fingers. Underline toes. And goodness gracious. Okay, and goodness gracious. Goodness, now elephant is a very good animal, right? It does not hit anyone unless you harm it, right? It is a very good animal. It walks very slowly, and it eats whatever you give it to eat, right? It is very nice animal. Also sometimes it gives us a ride. So elephant is a very nice animal, okay? So what does goodness mean? Goodness means quality of being good, okay? That is अच्छा होना, okay? Goodness means बहुत अच्छा होना. तो even elephant एक बहुत अच्छा animal है, right? Even elephant is a very nice animal, right? It is very good. So goodness, gracious. Gracious is kind or polite. Elephant is very kind, right? It is very kind. It does not hit anyone. So gracious is kind or polite. So goodness gracious, what a nose, and how big nose does an elephant have? The nose of the elephant is known as trunk. So the elephant has such a big nose, right? Yeah. Okay, you have to underline goodness and gracious over here. Once again read the poem now, kids. Come on. The elephant walks like this and like that. He is very tall and he is very fat. He has no fingers, but he does have toes. And goodness gracious, what a nose! So students, what does the elephant have? It has a big nose. He is very tall, at the same time he is very fat. He walks like this and like that. It has no fingers, but the elephant has toes, right? Yes, and it is a very kind animal. So students, coming to word meanings. Goodness means quality of being good, and gracious is kind or polite. Okay. So students, we have completed both the poems, that is I Use My Brain and The Elephant. If you have any doubt in this video, you can ask me in the live session. Okay, bye.